decision yesterday to stop working and have a drink was a good idea. Now I'm back, sun is up. I started the work and got prepared. Here's the nice new cover for this. So my thought now was not to de-rust it in detail, but instead put some rust proofing color on it before I proceed gluing in this. That's running rather fast. Let's take a look. Okay, so now we are trying to fit this one to the car. We only need it up to this height. I'll cut it in half first. I hope I have the perfect tools for it. Just double checking. Yeah, works. Not good, not great. Tell you what, I think I'm going to go for another set of cutters, because this is going to take plain forever. Wrong tool. But since we're here, this is the fine product I want to glue it on with. So let's get better tools. And big fun. Of course, I don't have the proper tools. Excellent. So why don't we try this sucker here? Okay. a bit better. But it's really cutting it one by one, which I don't like. Let's see if I can cut it like this. Surely not. Anybody having a good idea? So, I can tell you it's always good to have the best tools and the correct tools. After 15 minutes of cutting, I made it so far, and it looks like quite a good fit for what I want to achieve here. I think it's ready. Not quite. Some more squeezing it into the right corners, and then just gluing it on. And then we're going to spray it or paste it with some metal compound, and see how we will succeed. So we're getting here. The gluing starts. We're trying to put it on all these rims big time. And of course, all over this mesh, and especially at the upper rim. And this rim. Never done it before, so not sure how this is going to work out. But I'm quite sure it will be a nice mess. Yuck. Now let's try and fit it in. Jesus Christ. That's a sticky process. I'm just realizing I need more gloves afterwards. But in total, maybe these gloves are exactly the best tool you could wish for in this process. So far, and it's dissolving these gloves. Shit, it's dissolving the gloves. Would have thought that. good. Good. Sorry if you had to watch my back of my head all the time. I need a piece of wood to stamp it on some area somewhere and stay there. That's good. That's good. Yeah, we have to find some wood to keep it sticking. And I'll try to find that now. Yucky. Yuck. So finally, Mr. Little Ghost here, I guess he was helping a bit. So what we did is I glued it in, so it's sitting in here nicely, so it really sticks. I had to fix it with some proper tools, and yeah, we will take it from here. Look how it's going to dry off, how stable it's going to be, and then later on how we can fill in the surface, that it actually doesn't look like a mesh but like a real sheet of metal. No clue how long this stuff is going to take to dry, but so far I'm satisfied. So the day is almost gone, but I did work something. As you can see here, I found another little rusted piece, and you can't see it, okay, because I'm standing in the way. However, we'll add some more color to it, and we are almost done back here, because it's all covered, it's fixed, and now we're going to coat the whole area with this fine product under sealing spray. Okay, so after spraying everything, this is how it looks like. You can see it's all nice and black, good as new. And that's it for today. We'll finalize just some little paint here in the engine bay, and then that's it for today. So see you next time, when I do the other side, probably.